We shall now take more exercises on subtraction of numbers in standard form. We are asked to evaluate the following, leaving our answers in standard form. So this is going to be equal to, I will equally factorize out the least multiple of 10 that is common, and that is 10 raised to the power of 4. So when you factorize out 10 raised to the power of 4 from this, you are going to have 3.73 times 10 raised to the power of 2 minus 5.83. This is going to be equal to 10 raised to the power of 4 into, this is times 100, and that is 373 minus 5.83. When you subtract 5.83 from 373, you are going to be left with 10 raised to the power of 4 into 373 minus 5.83. You have 367.17. This is equal to, expressing this in standard form, you now have 3.6717 times 10 raised to the power of 6. Question 2, we have 1.55 times 10 raised to the power of 3 minus 7.2 times 10 raised to the power of 2. Factorizing out 10 squared, you now have into 1.55 times 10 raised to the power of 1 minus 7.2. This is equal to 10 squared into 15.5 minus 7.2. This is equal to 15.5 minus 7.2 gives you 8.3. So this is said to be 8.3 times 10 raised to the power of 2, which is in standard form. Number 3, this is equal to, I'll factorize out 10 raised to the power of 4 into 8.2 times 10 minus 8.1. So that this is equal to 10 to the power of 4 into 82 minus 8.1. And when you subtract 82 minus 8.1 gives you 73.9 times 10 raised to the power of 4. Expressing it in standard form, we have 7.39 times 10 raised to the power of 5. So this is your answer. Question 4, we have 7.6 times 10 raised to the power of 8 minus 5.2 times 10 raised to the power of 5. Factorizing out 10 raised to the power of 5, this gives us 7.6 times 10 raised to the power of 3 minus 5.2. So that this is equal to 10 raised to the power of 5 into, when you multiply this by 1000, you have 7600 minus 5.2. So do the subtraction before you multiply by 10 raised to the power of 5. This gives us 7600 minus 5.2, which is 7594.8 times 10 raised to the power of 5. And expressing this in standard form, you have 7.5948 times 10 raised to the power of, you add 3 to the power because the decimal point is being moved 3 times to the left. This is times 10 raised to the power of 8. In question 5, we have 8.65 times 10 raised to the power of 5 minus 5.3 times 10 raised to the power of 4. This is equal to 10 raised to the power of 4 into 8.65 times 10 minus 5.3. And this is equal to 10 raised to the power of 4 into 86.5 minus 5.3. This is said to be 10 raised to the power of 4 into 81.2. So our answer is said to be 81.2 times 10 raised to the power of 4. But we must express this in standard form, and this is equal to 8.12 times 10 raised to the power of 5.